Oh, hi, Heathcliff.
Huh?
What can I say, Heathcliff? Until I get a new net, I can't catch any fish. Sorry, get me a new net, and I'll catch all the fish you can eat.
They've got more fish than you've ever seen in your life.
Yippee! I always wanted to go to Sealand. Sorry, Heathcliff. You can't go along. They don't allow pets.
Me? A common house pet?
Sorry, Heathcliff, not this time.
Yummy. Huh? If this keeps up, I'll have to call in the tuna fleet.
Hand me that extension pole, will you, Joe? No! 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 What are you trying to do, Joe?
Oh, me?
Next time, you're fired!
Oh, clams. The main ingredients for my delicious chowder. I need a clam opener. Boy, these clamshells are tougher to crack than a bank vault. Okay, move it.
Are you kidding? It took me 2 days to get this far.
It's all right? It's all right. All secure, Joe?
Yep,
You're sure now?
absolutely.
I need to get me a raft.
Wow! No! Joe, what are you trying to do?
Oh, me?
I'm warning you. Next time, you're fired.
Get the name of that painting company, dear. We never want to make the mistake of hiring them. kind of fish is that?
That's a bucket fish, Grandma.
Bucket fish?
I'll start with a seafood cocktail and finish with a grilled trout almondine.
You're finished before you started. We don't serve common alley cats.
I'm reporting you to the manager, you stuffed shirt.
My goodness gracious, someone's eaten our lunch. Looks like Heathcliff got in here. But how could he have? We left him at home.
Ah, just what I had in mind. If I can slow this guy down, I'll be in fish fillet for years.
Simply an animal.
That's what I get for hiring my wife's brother. That does it! You're fired!
Homie!
I've never seen a cat take to water like that before.
If only our dear Heathcliff were here to see it.
Oh, no! It is Heathcliff!
Oh!
Heathcliff, I thought I told you they don't allow pets here.
Pat, this cat's a wild beast.
Come on, Heathcliff. Let's go home. Now you stay here, Heathcliff. We'll be back in a little while.
All right. Thanks, Heathcliff. Now, let's see about getting us some lunch.
I've got a whale of an appetite.
They sure don't make yo-yos like they used to. Uh-oh. Cleo's not gonna like this. Well, at least it's only a small hole.
Who's there?
Greetings, Earthling Bush. This is Nomodo, giant mouse from outer space. I have come to take you to my spaceship. We need a new mop on board.
I gotta hide. Oh!
Huh? Competition. It's only me, Bush. How you doing?
I knew it was you all along. I don't believe in giant mice from outer space.
Hey, Bush. Who's that guy with Cleo?
Who? What? Where?
Never mind. Catch you later. Hiya, Cleo.
Oh, hi, Riff. Pierre, I'd like you to meet, a friend of mine, Riff-Raff. Pierre is a French gourmet chef.
Oh, yeah? Put her there.
Hello.
Hello, South.
Cleo, my darling. I so want to be with you tonight. I'm so sorry I must cancel our date, but I have to work. I have to be the consultant at a very important dinner.
Hey, that's too bad. Would you like to go out with me tonight?
I suppose.
Are you sure? Wouldn't it be better staying home?
How would you like to stay home with a black eye?
Boys, police.
My darling, I have to leave. I will speak to you later.
I'm gonna make her a meal that'll wipe you out, Puffball.
You're gonna have to work hard to do that, Riff-Raff. Pierre makes the most wonderful gourmet meals I've ever tasted. He also knows how to treat a lady.
Pick you up at 8. I sure am glad you guys want to help.
No problem. We'll create a gourmet dinner Cleo will never forget. Better than any French chef.
What's the plan, man?
First, we clean up this place. We gotta make it classy if we're gonna eat a gourmet meal here. Right, boys?
Right.
I think I'll make fish a la Riff-Raff, vegetables a la Riff-Raff, and pie a la Riff-Raff. Be careful, Mungo. Sometimes those wipers go on by themselves.
Yeah, what did you say? Oh, well.
Mungo, there must be an easier way to clean that window.
Help! Somebody help!
The switch is broken. Quick, Woodward, disconnect the battery.
Okay, boys, break's over. Time to spiffy up inside.
Foiling these clowns should be easy as the pie. Voila.
Gourmet Squad, stop everything. It seems the more we clean up, the dirtier it gets.
I cleaned the rug, now pull the plug. Now I know why people hate housework.
Let's forget the cleaning and go find some food.
Right.
want to catch some tasty fish, make Cleo a classy dish.
Aha!
I hope it's a big one.
Gotcha! You! Come here, cat. Huh?
Hi, Riff-Raff. How's the dinner coming along?
Piece of cake. There's nothing to it. See you later.
Now for some veggies and beans, carrots and greens. Uh-oh.
And what's a cat doing in my vegetables?
Leaving. My mind is so slick, I'll trip her with the stick. Oh! Oh no! My whole job only netted one cub.
The mango's gonna squish and squish and squish some grapes and make some yummy grape juice. Yeah, you're just the person I wanted to see. Could you answer a question for me? How do you squish grapes? You learn something new every day.
I've got to catch a real flashy fish for my gourmet masterpiece. Got one. Oh, just my luck. A lousy skunk. Oh, no. Sorry, pal, With my sauce a la Riff-Raff, this fish will be outstanding.
With those small pickings, he can't hope to impress Cleo.
Well, guys, I guess I'd better admit it to myself. As a gourmet meal, this stinks.
Here comes the just desserts.
Thanks for your efforts. I'll just tell Cleo that I didn't quite make it. Cleo, my gourmet meal didn't quite come off.
You know, Riff-Raff, as long as you're being honest, I'll be honest, too. I'm not going out with you just for a gourmet meal. I like going out with you.
Yeah, what is it?
Wow, it's a whole meal with all the trimmings, hot and everything.
Riff-Raff, that's the tastiest shrimp I've ever had. And look at that caviar.
Please, I will cook you my special tuna surprise. How about a halibut stew?
If you have a dog who can't behave when you leave him alone, here's a tip on how to cure him of his bad habits. First, you have to isolate him, either in a large crate or a small fenced area. After about 10 minutes, return to the crate and praise your dog. Good, doggy. Now you've reassured him that he hasn't been abandoned. Increase the time you let him out of confinement until he can stay out of trouble when left alone for a few hours. Okay, break's over. Back in the box, you clown.